It is with great honor that I introduce our respected guest speaker, a builder of homes, a builder of dreams, and a builder of lives, Engineer Reynaldo A. Carpio, PhD.
You always plant the good seeds that will bear good fruits in the future. Always do the right thing. Always protect your reputation and integrity at all times. Always focus on your character because this is the foundation of your success. Continuing education. Once you stop learning, you stop growing. Therefore, never stop learning. Para kay Engineer Ray Carpio, dapat may STD. Sipag, tiyaga, at diskarte. It is the diskarte that makes a big difference.
Ang tunay na tagumpay, hindi basta-basta na lang natapos sa kamay. Pinaghihirapan niya, pinapanday ng panahon. Si Reynaldo Carpio, inhinyero, patuloy na uunlad ang kabuhayan sa kanyang mga proyektong pabahay.
Kung nung bata pa ay nakasakay lang siya sa kalabaw, naku, eto na ngayon ang magagarang sasakyan ni Engineer Ray Carpio.
Allow me to express my deepest gratitude and overflowing pride for this remarkable milestone